Hi, this is Dave Bennett. It's October 3rd, 2015, and I want to point out a couple of things about the website store. Some people are missing. They don't realize you can log into the panels and look around, and they don't realize that you can get anything you want off that purchase order form. So I'm just pointing that out real quick. The difference between website store and services is that services is when you're buying large. You're getting a full production, and all the work's going to be done for it. Okay. That's services. We're going to do the whole thing for you. You don't do anything really. You just give us the initial guidance, and beyond that, we'll ask you questions if we have them, and we'll do the work. Okay. From there, if you want to get variations of it to create that illusion of diversity on the one hand, and on the other hand, backlink yourself with this work. In other words, you can take 3 other websites that are all selling the same thing you're selling. It's you selling you. Okay. And these 3 are selling you too. 4 websites that sell you equally well. Okay. 3 of them are going to backlink one of them to make it even stronger so that the sum effect is greater than 3 plus 1. It's going to be more like 3 plus 1 equals 7. Okay. You're going to have a lot more sales because you do it. A lot more than just adding them together. It's going to be better than that. All right. Now that's the services. For the website store, what have we got? That's this right here. For those of you that need to start somewhere smaller and work your way up, or you're just not sure if you trust yourself even with the panel and you just want to make sure, then go there, the website store. You can mix and match what you want to buy. Here's what I want to point out. Okay. All these industries down here, we can create templates for any industry using these. Okay, so you can get any one of these for any industry. Just get it and decide on whatever industry you want it to be. Okay, and we've got more coming, so it's always cool to come back and check more. Now, here are the things that people are missing, a couple of them. One is this. Up here, see where it says hover over the image, click View Demo. Okay, so if you hover over any of these images, you got a View Demo button. Okay, and then you can append administrator to the end of the URL. Okay, so if I view demo, then I've got the demo, and at the end of the URL, I can append administrator and go there. Now what's it going to say? Log on with demo to check out the awesomeness of your admin panel. That's what it says. So I'm going to log on with demo and submit. And here we go. I am now in the back end of that website. This is the logo. You know, it's mainly a white logo. So this is the part of it I can see against the white background. Okay. I'm going to hit it. And here you go. It opens the thing in another tab so I can see it clearly. Okay. Let me go back. Boom. And I can literally explore everything about it. I can explore what the pages look like, how they look, how they act, how they work. I can see what's happening in here. I can explore the global settings and understand what all the functions are and what I can do with the global settings. I can explore the theme settings. I can explore how the typography works. Okay. I can explore everything about the website. I can go back and explore what's in the sidebar and what I can do with it. I can take a look at how that works, how I can choose between a YouTube video or a Vimeo video, how I can put the video ID in, and it gives you some really, really clear instructions for how to understand the actual video ID. It's always in the URL. Okay, you can type in what you want for a description. Okay, you can explore everything back here, how global variables works, what's happening. This is where you define and keep all of these variables. Okay, we defined them here so that we can use them every other place on the entire website. So when you see something like this or something like that, it's because we created those in the global variables so that whenever we just change it in this one little spot, okay, and update it, whenever we do that, it will actually reflect on everything throughout the entire site. It will reflect everywhere throughout the site where that value applies. You won't see in the back end, you see the coding you're working with in the back end, but on the front end, it will all be affected. Everything on all the pages will be completely affected properly by whatever values you put in on that global variables box. All right, so you can explore everything in the back end, how it works. Okay. Now, the other point, that's exploring the templates and seeing what they look like. And then again, if you want to log in and take a closer look, those other tabs on the right, just put /administrator, and then log in with demo. Okay, so you can log into all of these and see what their templates are like, and you can understand what all the settings are and how many things you can actually clearly control in this back end. It's absolutely powerful how much control you have. Everything in here has a control box for it. Every color, font, everything in here has control boxes. It's absolutely awesome that way. Okay, now with that in mind, okay, what else? Here's the other part. When you hit buy now on any one of these, it takes you to the same form, same buy now form. Okay, so just go there. But it pre-populates the name of that template, the name of that template. Okay, so aTravel1, if I just go there, okay, it says aTravel1. Okay, now I can put in my information, okay, so we can contact you to let you know your order's done. And whatever what is you want to order, just check mark. Just check whatever you want in the back. And as you check things, if you say, okay, I want that, which is this, okay. I think I want that. I definitely know I want that, okay. I can do that part myself. I don't need that now. I already bought it. I don't need you guys to do a logo. I've got one, but it would be good if you updated all the images. Nah, you know what? I'll do the images, but you do the content, the writing, the copywriting. Professionally copyright the content for me, okay? So you just pick and choose what you want to pick and choose. Include a YouTube or video. I think I can do that on my own. Maybe I want you to do some kind of directory listings for me, or I think I want the affiliate system. Yeah, you can do the directory listings. I can do them. I might come back later, right? And then just buy it. And literally, there you go. So you can change your order. If it goes over your budget, pull something back for now. You can come back later and get it. Okay. And then you can come back in and decide what you want to get next. Okay. And so you buy it. Now, the next time when you're done, you might come back and get more. And so if you do, just go to the order form. Okay. Just go find an order form, get on it. Okay. And then just get rid of the template name. Okay. Put your information in here and just buy the thing you want and make some notes about it. Or if you don't see where to make notes about it here, just shoot us an email. Go, hey Dave, what I got, I want you to update the images and I want you to do the copywriting, okay? And it's on something I already have. So just buy that and then just shoot us an email and go, hey Dave, that's what the order's for. It's for this other one I already bought. Here's where you find it, okay? That way we can go log in and update your images, change your copywriting, and there you go, okay? If you have very custom orders, some people do. They say, I want 5 engines, right? The T to HA panels, they'll say, I want 5 panels and I want 1 of every template you have. Then before you order, contact me, see if there's something we can do for a bulk discount, okay? Because usually we can. And there you have it. If you want us to create a new website for you with all the fixings, that's what the services is for. You can come here and we'll create your website for you with literally everything. Directory listings, citations, images, custom copywriting. It's going to be unique. You can read what comes with it here. Okay. And then if you want to create that illusion of diversity, make 4 for just another $100 per website. See, it's a lot of work to get one done. After that, doing each next one's much, much easier. Okay. Then you're going to have a lot of power. You're going to have 4 websites selling you instead of 1. Okay, that's great. That's always better. More websites is better. And then you can have 3 of them backlink you. So that's better still, and that's going to create a net bigger gain. It's going to be a case, like I said, where 3 plus 1 actually equals 7 in terms of power. Okay. All right. I hope you found that useful, and I hope you understand now how to use the website store and what you can do, especially logging into the panels and looking around and familiarizing yourself with all the controls. People that have gotten the templates are very happy with it. They don't want to go back to WordPress anymore. WordPress is horrible. Our admin panels are great. Everyone's happy with the websites they get. And there you go. If you're going to become a reseller, you're going to get a copy of the entire site with literally all of these functions for you. And then all of it's going to be changed out to be for you, not for us. So Google can see you as your own website company. And so when you take orders, you just pay us the wholesale to do the work and you keep the commissions. Okay, that's a separate discussion. You'll see that in other videos. And in the meantime, now you know how the website store works.